Welcome to Research Methods for the Study of Christian Organizations. This is a fully online course with no face-to-face meetings. This course is an introduction to research methods that can be utilized to study the life and ministry of the local congregation and Christian not-for-profit organizations. Several resources have been provided to assist you in completing this course successfully. Please read the syllabus and course schedule thoroughly before beginning the course. As an online student, your learning is more independent than that of your classroom counterpart. Unlike them, you're not bound by time and space for most of your activities. Despite this freedom, you need to be more mindful of how you manage your time. This is not an at-your-own-pace course because every assignment has a specific deadline. You should plan to spend time daily on Canvas. Points are awarded not only for the quality of your work, but also for the timeliness of your submission. So try to get into a rhythm. If you manage your time well, you will keep up with your assignments and you'll learn at a comfortable pace. In online courses at Vanguard, the discussion forum functions as the main class dialogue center. For all intents and purposes, this is your classroom. Success will come by devoting a considerable amount of time to the discussion forum. And hey, it's just more fun participating. So your next steps are going to be read and familiarize yourself with the course syllabus and course schedule. I even suggest you print out that course schedule. Configure your settings in Canvas if you have not already. View the Netiquette resources. You can even start to complete some of the assignments in Module 1. So join me on this journey of pursuing and understanding truth through God's Word and His revelation in humanity. Please feel free to email me or contact me through the Canvas inbox if you have any questions regarding our course. I'm really looking forward to journeying through research methods with you. This is Professor Naiman.